Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Cure's IGCSE Maths course, and today we're looking at Section A, Lesson 9, Percentages, Part 1. So before we start, here's a few knowledge checkers about percentages. So a percentage is an amount in each 100. A percentage is any share in relation to a whole, and percentage comes from Latin per centum, which means per 100. So the agenda. What we're doing today is looking at three types of questions. First of all, we're looking at find x% of y. So throughout this lesson, I'm going to be talking about x and y, which are just representing unknown numbers. Question type 2, express x as a percentage of y. Question type 3, find a new amount after percentage change has occurred. So let's start. Find x% of y. So all this means is find x% of a different number. So a certain amount of percent of a different number. So there's two steps here. Step 1, turn x% into a decimal. If you don't know how to do that, look at the previous video because that will explain. Step 2, multiply x and y together. So here are some examples. If you think you know what to do, just go ahead, but if you don't, I'll go through it right now. So find 30% of £90. So what you need to do is make 30% a decimal. So 30% equals 0.3. So then we multiply 0.3 with £90, and that will give us an answer of 27. But we need to remember that it's in pounds, so the answer is £27. It's very important to remember the units. So question 2, give it a go, and then I will go through it in a second. So it's find 80% of $360. All right, so 80% equals 0.8. And we need to multiply it by $360, which gives us $288. Well done if you got that right. Express x as a percentage of y. There's two steps. Step 1, divide x by y. Step 2, multiply by 100. So again, there's only two steps, which are quite simple. So remember to make x and y have the same units. So they're going to be, so generally they're in money, and you might have something in pounds and something in pence, and you have to make them the same, or in dollars and cents. Okay, so here's an example. Give 60p, as a percentage of £4.26. So first of all, we need to make £4.26 into pence. So it's got 426 pence. Then we need to divide x by y, which is 60 divided by 426, which equals 0.14. So our answer will be 0.14 times 100, which gives us 14. And because we're looking to express x as a percentage of y, we have to put 14%. It's very important to remember the percentage sign. So the final question. Find a new amount after a percentage change. This is probably the hardest out of the ones we've been doing so far. So turn the percentage into a decimal is step 1. Step 2 is to multiply. Multiply the original price, if it's a price, with the decimal. And then you add this new value or subtract this new value to the original price. So here's an example to make this clearer. A TV is reduced in price by 30%, so it's negative 30% because it's reduced in a sale. It originally cost £70. Find the new price. So give it a go if you know what to do. If not, I'll go through it with you. Okay, so step 1, 30% equals 0.3. So then we multiply 0.3 times 70 equals 21. So the percentage change is £21. So not the percentage, the change in money is £21. But now we need to find out what the actual final new price is. So what we need to do is £70 minus £21 equals £49, because it's reduced in price, so it's worth less than it used to be worth. So you can clearly see that £49 is less than £70. If you got a number that was like £100 or something, you would know immediately that you've gone wrong, because it can't be reduced to get a higher number. So, example 2. A collector's coin increased in value by 40%. It was originally worth £24. Find the new price. So this time it's increasing in value. Give this a go. If you don't understand it, I'll go through it right now. Okay, so step 1. 40% equals 0.4. 0.4 times 24 gives us £9.6. So it's changed by £9.6. So it's an increase, so we have to add that onto 24 to give us £33.6. So the new price of the coin is 33.60. Okay, so well done, you've got that right. It's quite important to remember to put an extra 0 on. I've not done that on this PowerPoint, but it's quite important to do that. You most likely won't lose marks to do it, but it's safer thing to do is to put an extra 0 on for the money values. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like, subscribe. And if you had any questions at all, just please ask them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching again.